Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by toasting the idea. Place 4 slices of bread on a board, spread 1/2 cup sauce evenly so each slice has a base. Use 1 cup shredded cheese and layer thin toppings. They cook faster. Peppers or cooked sausage are ideal. Once done, press toppings gently into the bread so they adhere. Make sure the skillet is hot on medium-low. This prevents burning and gives you control over melting without an oven. Place the assembled bread, toppings up, into the heavy skillet with 1 tsp oil or butter to prevent sticking and brown the base. Immediately cover the skillet. The lid traps steam and raises internal temperature, which melts cheese and cooks toppings. Cook 3 to 4 minutes until the bottom is golden, then flip carefully using a spatula. Cover again and cook another 3 minutes. Make sure to lower heat if the base browns too fast so the interior finishes. You finish by checking that the cheese is bubbly and toppings are hot. Rest the pizza on a rack for 1 minute to firm up the bread. If you want extra crispness, uncover and cook on medium for 30 to 60 seconds per side while watching closely. If the bread becomes soggy, increase heat slightly and press with a spatula for short bursts to evaporate moisture. This fixes limp crusts without overcooking toppings. Serve immediately for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.